Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Phantom Wallet and access Solana wallet securely step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Phantom Wallet. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Phantom Wallet homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Login button, typically found on the top right corner of the screen. Click the Login button to proceed. You will be presented with several login options, including wallet addresses and browser extensions. If you have previously set up the Phantom extension in your browser, you can choose to log in via that method. Click on the extension icon located in the upper right corner of your browser. The Phantom Wallet extension will open, displaying a welcome screen. If you have an existing wallet, click on the Import Wallet option. You will need your recovery phrase to import your wallet. Carefully enter your recovery phrase in the provided field. Double-check the entered phrase for accuracy. After confirming the recovery phrase, click the Import button. If you prefer to create a new wallet, select the Create New Wallet option instead. Follow the prompts to set up a new wallet, including generating a recovery phrase. Make sure to securely store your new recovery phrase, as it is crucial for wallet recovery. Once logged in, you will be directed to your wallet dashboard. From here, you can access your Solana assets and manage your transactions. To log out, click on your wallet settings and select the Log Out option. This will ensure your wallet remains secure when not in use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.